Hello students, welcome in our new chapter, application of derivative. Students, last I explained you our fifth chapter ending derivative, related all points and the derivative formula. These all formula students again utilized in this chapter, our sixth chapter, which is our application of derivative. It means one more ahead step will be going in the derivative parts. So first of all, starting before, I just explain you and write down all formula basic which is needed to in this chapter. So first of all, our first, you know that circle. What is the area of circle? Yes, having the radius r. It is area of circle. You know that pi r square. I just revised the basic formula till up to you studied 11 science and 10 standard. Correct? Yes. The next one of the circumference of this circle is 2 pi r. Now second, yes, second property similarly I going. Then after triangle. Triangle also you know height. It is a base. Yes, area of triangle, which is half into base into height. Correct. And equilateral triangle, if you go in there, area of equilateral triangle. This also utilizations. Root 3 by 4 sine square. Side which is x. If you give an equilateral. Third property, it's a going to now continue one of the cube. All length, breadth and height are equal. Each side here consider which is a x. Yes. So in this cube, one of the here area of cube, total area, all six sides cover 6x square, because each side is a square. There are 6 times. Next, volume of the cubes. It is a length, breadth, height, all equally like x cube. Next, 4, cuboid. Cuboid also very easy, but a rectangle shape given. Necessary draw the drawing. Length, breadth, height. This is a length, this is a breadth, and this is a height. So here total area of cuboid, which is 2 times length, breadth, breadth, height, and height, length. All 6 faces and volume are there. It's also easy. Length, breadth, height. You know students, why I written this all? This derivative after that I taking and our chapter start. Yes, this is your cuboid. Next further, fifth one, it is a cylinder. Cylinder has generally only height and radius. This is your height, and here a radius. So surface area of cylinder, it is nothing, very easy, 2 pi r h. Now after the derivative taking r respect to h respect to time respect. Yes. Next volume. Volume of cylinder. No? Yes. Correct thinking. Pi r square h. And one more. Total surface area of cylinder. Total means what? Upper side circle, bottom side circle, and lateral. All I added. 2 pi r h plus this upper circle and bottom circle, 2 times circular area, means 2 pi r square, and common check 2 pi r, which is h plus r. That's your cylinder level only 3 formula. Now 6, one of the cone. You know students, cone is a 1/3 part volume of the cylinder. Yes, this is a height, radius, slanted height. In this part, L square is equal to x square plus r square is known. Already known property it is. Yes. Now lateral surface area of cone. It is a pi l and is a slanted height. And total surface area of cone means pi l plus this bottom circle. This is the cone, but bottom circle I just add the area pi r square, which have to pi r common, l plus r. This property. And one more, volume of the cone is a nothing. Cylinder volume 1/3. So 1/3 part of pi r square. This necessary. I again repeat you, necessarily by heart, because this is a main first step for our district chapter. Yes. Now after that, seventh, one of the spherical parts. So it is a radius here. R. And very easy. Surface area of sphere 4 pi r square. Volume of sphere. Yes, yes. Think about that volume of sphere. 4 upon 3 pi r cube. And then after hemisphere. Yes. So one more part. After that I will draw for you. It is a all parts are one by one utilized in this chapter. So now figure number 8, which is a hemisphere. These are the hemisphere figure. That one and here are internal parts. Sure, it is radius. And here also surface area, volume and total area. So here surface area of hemisphere. Yes. Total surface area of sphere known 4 pi r square, half cutting. So here 2 pi r square. Now total surface area of hemisphere. Students, total surface area means 2 pi r square is this. That is called 2 pi r square. And bottom circle added. So 2 pi r square with the pi r square. They get 3 pi r square. And volume of hemisphere. These all are utilized in the practical numericals. And that related I start the derivative. Yes, volume of hemisphere, same half to volume of sphere. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Yes. Now students, up to that 8 is easy utilizations in our 6.1 exercise only. Yeah? So at 6.1 now I start after that the simple explanation of formula. Now students, I slowly going our first question, exercise 6.1. Question is there, find the rate of change of area of the circle. Yes, area of the circle you know, pi r square, and its radius changing when r is 3 semi and r is 4 semi. What is the changes? These are named with respect to its radius. So I take the derivative with respect to r, and this is your circle, here center, and it is the radius. Yes, area of circle, you know that a pi r square, and r is what? Radius of circle. That is the given. And now I start derivative respect to radius. So a is your pi r square and differentiation with respect to r. This is a main point which respect to you taking in your question, reading about 1 time, 2 time. Okay. Now here dA versus dr. Here d by dr of pi r square. Now derivate. It is 2r and r respect to r is a 1. Now a is 3 A, first question here, r equal to 3 cm and y equal to 4 cm. Only radius change. Here apply that dA by dr, which is pi into 2 into r. I know that 3. So it's over that 6 pi in unit area centimeter square per radius again centimeter. You are not cutting this centimeter in centimeter. Na? Answer is centimeter square per centimeter. And second, in B question, given you have to r equal to 4 cm. Again write dA by dr, which is pi into 2 into what is the r? 4. Means answer 8 pi centimeter square per centimeter. I know pi taking a 22 by 7. Students, it's very easy numerical. I only take out the formula and respect to the derivative, but respect to r. Yes, now students, I am going ahead. Next question. Now students, I am going slowly. Question second and then after third. See the second question. Volume of a cube. Cube already know like volume and surface area is increasing at a rate 8 centimeter cube per second. Second means time. So here students directly taking time versus. How fast the surface area change? If the length of edges is given 12 centimeter. Very easy students. Consider this is your cube. Students, here both mirrors are parallel. That's why I both combined data. Don't worry. I one by one explain you. This is your cube. Draw properly. And this edges is what? X centimeter. Yes. And given that volume increase, so we write down first volume of cube is V x cube. I am asking that the surface area. So very easy. Surface area same as going I of cube. You know that which is S. Surface area. Either way write down. It is x square but 6x square minus x. 6x square. Now check volume given. What given? dV versus dt. 8 centimeter cube per second. Why written here dt? Because second given, time given, second, minute, hour, any given time taking the time. And what is asking? Increase in the surface area. Means dA versus dt is your target. If edge is given 12 centimeter, this is your overall question. Very easy numerical. Students, I start volume. Volume V. What is volume? X cube. Differentiation with respect to time. So dV versus dt. d by dt of x cube. Yes. Take derivative with respect to t. It is a 3x square dx by dt. And value put down there. It's given that. But one more time to check. Centimeter is telling. Sometime not telling. Yeah? So you make the in the same your function. Either same the unit. Here given it is 8. 3 x is what? 12. So I write down 12 square dx by dt. So finally what is your dx by dt? 8 below. 3 with 12 into 12. Don't worry, you not multiply it as it is. It's a cutting already. So here cutting 4 2s are, here 4 3s are, you getting 2 upon 3 3s are 9 into 12. It is again cancelled, 2 1s are 6 are, so 1 by 9 into 6, 54. Unit centimeter per second. And now students, my target, it is your surface area. So very easy. What is surface area? 6x square. And take the derivative with respect to t. So differentiation with respect to t. So dA versus dt. Here 6 d by dt of what? X square. And now take the derivative. It's very easy. So it is your dA by dt 6 here 2x dx by dt. And now students, this dx by dt already I am cutting 9 6 are 54. Apply that. So 6 into 2 and x is what? Original given x, age is 12. So here 12 and it is 1 by, it is 9 into 6. Finished. 6 is gone. Again 3 3s are gone, 3 4s are gone. So 4 to z means dA by dt 8 by 3. But unit centimeter square per second. It's your area. Surface area is increasing in the every second. 8 by 3 centimeter cube. This students is very easy numerical. Now one more sum. Look at that. Same parallel sum. Only one change. The radius of the circle is increasing uniformly rate 3 centimeter per second. Second given is time. Here your circle, one of the radius, and given that radius is increasing, means dr versus dt. I know that 3 centimeter per second. Find area of circle of the increasing. If the r is given 10, means if r is given 10 centimeter, then area dA versus dt is your target. And what is the area of circle? Pi r square. You know that? Yes. Now I start area of circle. Pi r square. But most I will be derivative respect to time. In previous first numerical I explained you, it is a radius respect. Already given in question, and here given in the time respect. Here also given the time upon second. Here also second. So I take in the time t. So differentiation with respect to time. So students, dA by dt, here pi d by dt of r square. So your answer is pi. Here 2r and r derivative 2r respect to time. So dr by dt, dr by dt given. And check this unit is same. Then you know, yeah, otherwise not converting same. So dA by dt 2 into pi into what is r? 10. And dr by dt 3. So 3 to the 6 into 10. So dA by dt 3 to the 6 and 10 65. Unit is a centimeter square per second. And this is your answer. Area increasing every second 60 pi centimeter square. If your radius increase in only 3 centimeter per second. Yes, students. So second question and third question indirectly same. Only our solid part is changed. Here our solid part given. It is your cube, and there is only circle given. Now going ahead, students, after that fourth question. Now students, one more numericals, question number 4 and 5. First of all, 4 I reading, and edges of a variable cube, again cube coming, increasing at the rate 3 centimeter per second. Here edges means side is increasing. How fast the volume increasing? At the edges given initially 10 centimeter. So students, drawing is same. Consider this is your one of the cube and having a length given x centimeter, and given that its edges is variable of increase if the side is increased. Dx versus dt 3 centimeter per second increase, it means here plus 3 value. Sometimes decrease given, so you take minus 3. And if you given edges x 10 centimeter long, then what is target? Target how fast volume is changed. Volume means V. So here asking dV versus dt. Because he is given second, and volume what? Volume of cube x cube. Then property move. just I applying v, which is x cube, and derivative take respect to time. Differentiation with respect to t, because here given time itself. So students, dv versus dt, d by dt of x cube, and derivative 3x square dx by dt. Now what is dx by dt? No, apply there 3 and x side also given 10, but check both unit is same, then operate tan square and dx by dt 3. So 900 dv versus dt, unit centimeter cube per second. Why cube? Volume. And time versus the moving ahead. If v1 inches is increased 3 cm per second, volume increase per second 900 cm. It's very big. Now, question number 5. Fifth also very interesting question. Question is that a stone is dropping into a wet lake. You know that stepping stone? Yes. And waves move in a circle. That type the waves is made. There is one of this, either this, either this, either that. These are the many circles. In just a few seconds, they moving their one radius, next another radius, next another radius, infinitely circle till and they moving it. Yes, but radius change, then area change. What the given speed of the radius is changed 5 centimeter per second. It means dr versus dt given 5 centimeter per second. And asking after the particular radius 8 given, means if r is 8 cm, then asking how fast area is increased. So dA versus dt is target. A means what? Area of the circle, new circle. After that 8 centimeter moving, so area of circle, same formula, pi r square, and radius initially 8 after the utilize, and take the derivative respect to time. This time second given, no? So differentiation with respect to time. So dA versus dt, pi d by dt of r square. And students find it is 2r dr by dt. So pi into 2, what is the r? Initially r given 8, and dr by dt is also given 5. So students, generally your answer is finished here. dA by dt, yes, 5 is a 10, 8, 80, 5 centimeter square per second. Every second 85 your area is increased. After that is the white clay, you dropping the stone. For 8 radius already having. Yes students, here are question 4th and 5th. Both these happily done. Now we are going to next question 6 and 7. Now students, one more interesting question. Question number 6. Radius of the circle increase at the rate 0.7 centimeter per second. Second given is time. What is the area? Sorry, not area. What is the circumference is increasing? So here we have circle. Center to that distance is radius. And radius increasing given dr versus dt 0.7 centimeter per second. And what is the circumference? 2 pi r. So I just start very easy. Circumference of the circle, it is called just like a S. Either P and U. And so what is your S? 2 pi r. We taking the derivative respect to because that's why asking dS by dt is your target. Check. Increasing of the circumference is value asking. So here ds versus dt, 2 by constant and d by dt of r, and that's your finished. 2 by, what is the r? dr by dt 0.7. Finish. 7 is a 14. It is a 1.4 pi centimeter per second. You don't write down centimeter square. It is not the area changing. It is a circumference changing. This answer is true. If you further calculate, this also true. 22 by 7 and 7 by 10. Cutting. 22 to 44 by 10, which is 4.4 centimeter per second. That answer is also true. If your radius change to time respect, then circumference is also changed. This answer both are correct. Now, 7 question. 7 is a IMP students. So you tick mark first of all in IMP list. The length of rectangle is decreasing. Look at that. Decreasing. It means minus taking. Increasing given then we are increasing. So I am taking here plus. Sometimes decreasing also given. Then you utilize minus. So this is your rectangle. This is your length. That's your breadth. Now read it properly. Length is x, decreasing, dx versus time. Read that. Per minute, centimeter per minute. This time given that decreasing, so minus 5 centimeter per minute, and breadth dy by dt is also given that 4 centimeter per minute, but it is increasing. So I just taking positive 4 and centimeter per minute same. Okay. Now reading. If a x given 8 semi and breadth is given 6 semi, then how far changes in the parameter? And what is the changes in the area of rectangle? So very easy students. First I take parameter of rectangle, that called P. You know students, what is the parameter? Easy. 2 times x, 2 times y. Yes. 2 common, x plus y. And take derivative respect to minute. Which time? So differentiation with respect to time t. So d of p versus d of t. Here dx by dt, dy by dt. Just put down. Decreasing, so minus. Again repeat. So here 2, here minus 5, and here plus 4. Indirectly your value is minus 2. D of p versus d of t. Parameter decreasing in centimeter per minute. This is every minute. Parameter is decreasing 2 centimeter per minute. Students, this is your first case is done. After that, I am moving ahead. Area changing. So here last I written therefore perimeter is decreasing 2 centimeter per minute. Minus value only indicate decreasing data. Yes. Now I am going second case, area of rectangle. You know that area of rectangle, length into breadth, x into y. Derivative apply to minute. This time process. Differentiation with respect to time. So dA versus dt, x dy by dt, y dx by dt. Only product rule already known you. And students, our numerical is finished. X how much? 8. dy by dt 4 plus y 6. dx by dt minus 5. Yes, minus is indicated what? Only decreasing function. So 8 4s are 32 minus 30. 2. Yes, 6 5s are 30 and 8 4s are 32. So my answer dA by dt is 2 centimeter square per minute. This your area changing. Area is increasing here. So last you write down area is increasing. Area of rectangle increasing at the rate 2 centimeter square per minute. If your x is changing in minus 5 and y is changing in the 4 centimeter per minute, students. This is the numerical INT. Yes, students. Here this question number 17 up to this part is done. Yes, students. Now further explanations for this exercise I explain you in the next part. Bye bye. See you.